to Twinkl Kids TV's How to Draw series, where for the past few videos, we've been focusing on some spooky specials. Today, we're going to be drawing a creepy-looking Frankenstein's monster. Maybe you'll see a few people dressed up as this at Halloween. We'll be using a pencil to mark out some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final line work. So, make sure you've got everything you need and let's create a monster! With your pencil, start by drawing a straight horizontal line. Draw a big U shape which connects either end to the line you just drew. It definitely doesn't look like a normal outline of a face, but don't worry. Frankenstein's monster had a very flat top of his head. To add in some hair, draw some zigzag lines at the top of the U. Then, just below this, draw a big triangle right in the middle of the head to show exactly where his nose will go. Of course, Frankenstein wanted his monster to have eyes to see. To add these in, draw 2 upside-down semicircles either side of the triangle before adding in a smaller semicircle inside each of these. You can give the monster a big curve for a smile, with 2 little curves at either end to show where his mouth meets his cheeks. For the ears, create 2 curved lines on either side of the monster's head, with slightly smaller ones inside for some detail. Of course, Frankenstein created his monster in a scientific laboratory, and nowadays he's often shown with bolts and screws on him. So, to add in some screws for a little spooky addition, on each side of the bottom of the shape, draw a little rectangle poking out, with another rectangle attached vertically at the end. And that's your first layer completed. Whilst you're here, why don't you hit the subscribe button below so you're the first to know any time we upload a new video. Now we have our first layer sketched out, it's time to pick up your pen and start bringing this monster to life. Start by tracing over the outline of the head, just like how you started with the pencil. Then you can do the ziggity-zaggity hairline. Continue to trace over each feature you've already created with the pencil until you finish the whole sketch. Remember that the pen lines don't have to follow the pencil exactly. You'll be able to rub the pencil out once you've finished. Now your first layer has been overlined, why not give your monster some wiggly eyebrows? For a few final details, you can add in a few squares for teeth along the smile line, and perhaps 2 small circles for nostrils. Wow! What a magnificent monster you've made! The perfect drawing for Halloween! Thanks for joining us today at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time!